I set before you an open door. It says, and no man can shut it. As you hear this trumpet, and if you can jump, if you can rejoice, wherever, all around the world, this is you saying welcome to that grace called favor. Welcome to a new season. Are you ready now? New season. Now hold on. This is 7. You are going to pray everything that represents shame, everything that comes to the old season. In 1 minute, go ahead and pray it out of your life, and then you will blast the 8th one, launching you into a new season, and we speak over your life.